What is up guys, today we have another tutorial, and on this one we are going to master reset this Nintendo DSi. So this one is one that I bought online and it has someone else's PIN code and they have forgotten the code, so what we need to do is master reset using a web browser, but this actually prevents me from formatting the DSi because I need the 4-digit code, and also there are probably certain games that I won't be able to play depending on the parental settings that I have set. So we need to reset this, and this actually works the same way as the Nintendo Wii, where you need to get a master code from the internet. So you just need to make sure your date and time is set to the current date and time. And then under the settings we go to Parental Controls, click on that, and we want to change it. Now it's going to ask you for the 4-digit code, so we're going to click I forgot and then click it again. Now it's going to give you this inquiry number. Ignore this because this is irrelevant now. You don't need to call Nintendo at all. So next thing, you want to go onto this website here, wii.markham.st/parental, and where it says confirmation number, we need to enter our confirmation number on the DSi. It should be 8 digits. And then your current date and time. So right now is Wednesday the 5th of May 21. Now click Get Reset Code. Now it says Wii, but this actually works with DSi. So your unlock code is 18480. Obviously this will be different for you, but in this case this is my unlock code. So we go back to our DSi and enter that code, 18480. Click OK. And we want to clear the settings. Okay, so now we should have our parental controls turned off. Now we can format the DSi without having to input the parental code. So there you go guys, that is how you reset a DSi with parental controls that are locked. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you, and I'll see you again on another one.